Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So in this video guys, I will be transforming my TWA. So just in case you are watching this video and haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button. Make sure you also turn your notifications so that you know when I upload videos. Okay, so let's just get straight into the video you guys. So right now I am starting off using my leave-in conditioner and my hair is completely washed. It is nice and clean. I'm gonna follow on by using my hair moisturizer by Kinky, and the next thing that I'm gonna do you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting my hair because I am creating a very quick hairstyle for you guys. Like seriously, you don't really have to do cornrows for your base. You can actually just go ahead and do some big chunky twists, okay, or some threading, African threading kind of base. So this is one bundle, okay, that is a one big thick bundle, okay, that's a big bundle. So I'm just showing you guys that the clippings comes with all the information that you need, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing these clippings starting from the back. Like I say guys, you don't really need to do much to your hair underneath, but just make sure that it does look nice and secure. I will just tell you a little bit more about the hair. These clippings I received from CursCurls. They did send me their thick bundle. So their thick bundle consists of 180 grams to 240 grams. That is a lot of hair, auntie, for like the hairstyle that I'm rocking here. So it's a very thick bundle and big enough for a full head. They also have a normal bundle which is 120 grams. So a normal bundle consists of like 6 pieces, so a thick bundle has 10 pieces, so 6 pieces for a normal bundle, which is enough like for styles like ponytails, bun. If you're really trying to save money, you can actually go for the normal bundle, which is very affordable. I'm just gonna finger comb like you see right here. I'm not using any comb because I didn't want the hair to look too much like of an afro. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my leave-in conditioner and just spritz a little bit on my hair just to make it look nice and flawless, hunty. Okay, I just needed a little bit of moisture. So the next thing that I'm gonna do you guys, I am gonna go ahead and apply some gel on my edges because they were like shouting, hello, I'm here, Fousey, here. Okay, so I just had to go ahead and lay them down. So I did go ahead and trim a little bit, just like a little bit at the back. So yeah, don't mind me guys, you don't really have to trim the hair. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and work on my parting you guys. Like seriously, this is effortless, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Mary's beeswax just to define my parting or to lay down my edges. Okay, like I said, I needed these edges to be laid, hunty, because like you guys know, my edges are very thin and a bit scarce. So if you don't lay them down, they'll be popping. Okay, they'll be popping out. So I didn't want that. I needed something stronger to blend the extensions. Okay, so right now I am using my normal Eco Styler gel just to define my own hair. So that one you see there is my own hair. I'm sure you can see that, you guys. So I'm just like shingling. Okay, I'm sure you know the process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a strand of my hair and twirl it together or mix it together with the clip-ins like you see right here. So you create like flawless kind of a hairstyle, so people won't be able to tell really where your hair is at or whether it's your hair or not, because everything is well blended, hunty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my parting, defining as I go. Like seriously, this is absolutely effortless. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of the Mary's beeswax and just define my parting a little bit more. And I also used a bit of the gel, but I didn't want to make my parting look too defined because my hair is falsy hair. I still wanted the texture of my hair to be showing. Okay, so this was just making it a little bit neater, but you know, not going overboard. And I did apply a little bit more gel like you see right here so that I could blend my hair with the clip-ins. Okay, so I went ahead and tied my hair down. These clip-ins look like my own real hair. Like this is the first time that I've actually tried the clip-ins and I am so impressed. Like seriously, thank you so much, CursCurls. And yeah, I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.